Tħatti lajtu bit-temp jippermetti bosta nies Maltin u anke turisti jażlu li qattaw din iċ-ċelebrazzjoni barra minn djarhom. Illum se jkunu qegħdin induru dawra ma' wħud mill-aktar postijiet frekwentati mill-Maltin u mit-turisti u se nsaqsuhom kif beħsibhom iqattaw din il-ġurnata.
We usually spend Easter with family, but this year we are here in Malta because we live here and we decided to spend the year on the beach.
We decided that we wanted to do something different to a resort holiday this year with the kids, and Malta was the first place for us to want to visit on our list.
We are actually from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and we are here celebrating with the kids, doing some egg hunting for them and just spending a nice Sunday with them and with their families.
We are from Germany, and it's also with the branches. It's another plant, but it's with branches, which are at the Segen. It's in Germany, the Segen.
So usually we spend Easter at home in New York in the United States. We're a Polish background, so usually we have some traditions there with Polish food his mother makes. We still go to Mass, so we did that this morning.
A lot slower, more relaxed here than from where we're from.
U l-Maltin x'qalulna?
Soltu mal-familja nqataw u niklu fil-għaxija, fl-offsenar, mbagħad fl-għaxija noħorġu. Mmur nara li fil-għodu, l-lum daħluni xogħol.
Ġejna nisimgħu il-qudies, kien hawn ċelebrazzjoni sabiħa ħafna. U issa qegħdin naqraw nitilgħu id-dar, noqogħdu n-naxxar u mmorru għand toħti, niklu għand toħti.
Aħna nippruvaw nżommu tradizzjonijiet ħajjin kemm jistgħu. Ġifieri kif kont inqattaw jiena żgħir, nippruvaw nqattaw l-istess ħaġa. Ovvjament niġu l-qudies naraw l-irxox tiereġ.
So we go to like our grandmas or our aunts like and we make some fagola.
Mhux minn hawn jien, minn Borbla, u Borbla konna niġru bih.
Nagħmel ekħant.
U għalfejn tħobbhom daqshekk l-egghunt?
Nħabba nagħmel nikolli ċikkolati. ċikkolata.
U għalfejn tħobb iċ-ċikkolata daqshekk?
Għandha ħafna zukkor.
Kont qed naħdem night shift fl-isptara, ma raqgħet xejn, dak kollox, ħabi jisar il-kulħadd.
Lajt jibqa' żmien popolari mal-lokali u mat-turisti minn pajjiżi differenti li jżuru l-Gżejjer Maltin minħabba fatturi vari fosthom it-turiżmu reliġjuż.